Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on your POCO X3 GT. First of all, you have to open the settings. Next, you have to scroll down and find apps. So open it, and then you have to click to manage apps. And right now, if you want to delete any of these applications, you can just click on uninstall, and right now you can select any application that you want to remove. So for example, I'm gonna remove maybe the Send Anywhere application. So select and then click uninstall at the bottom, then confirm, and as you can see right now we can just go back. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.